Hi guys, Miss Y is here. The water on Earth is getting dirty and we need to use our machine to clean it. But for our machine to work, we need a special crystal from the moon. Let's go! Oh wow! Look how beautiful our Earth looks from the space! Amazing! It is our one and only home and we have to keep it clean. There is a meteor shower. Let's dodge them. Watch it. Move to the left. Now right. Left again. Right. Left. Right. Phew, that was close. Oh, let's land over there. I think the crystal is in this box. But how do we open it? There's a puzzle on the box. I think we need to solve the puzzle to open the box. It shows all the planets in our solar system. It looks like we need to put them in the correct order. Let's do it. We are going to start with the closest planet to the Sun. It is Mercury. Next, we have Venus. The second planet is a bit like Earth, but super hot. Now it is time for Earth, our home. We live on this beautiful planet. The next planet is Mars. It is a red one with lots of dust. Now we move on to the biggest planet of all, Jupiter. It is so big. It could fit 1,000 Earths in it. Here comes Saturn with its beautiful rings. Isn't it amazing? Next, we have Uranus, the planet that spins on its side. And last but not least, the farthest planet, Neptune. It is a cool blue planet at the edge of our solar system. Wow! The box is opening. Here's our moon crystal. Let's take it to the Earth. Let's put this into the machine. Great! It works! Now we have clean water. Yay! Thank you for joining me in this adventure. See you soon. Bye!